So we're going to go through the Ryan Seacrest Macy's assembly. We're going to do the assembly on the dock at the Macy's facilities. This particular fixture is packaged really nicely in the cartons as it is, and we think there's going to be some damage if we assemble it on your dock. So we're going to assemble it at the Macy's. It'll take about, including dunnage removal, probably about 10 minutes. I'm going to go through all the different component parts, and then we're going to assemble it. And we're going to assemble it to give you an idea of what to do. This is the base of the unit. We have the feet on the bottom, the blacktop up part. We have the 4 uprights. 2 of them are left side uprights, and 2 of them are right. And I'll get into that when we assemble them. We have all the nuts and bolts there. You should have 8 of everything, and it should also come with an Allen key. We have three glass shelves. These are 45 inches long. We have 1, 2, 3, and they're going to sit horizontal. We'll show you that. And then these are the side panels. They're 29 inches long. And then this is the top of the fixture. So first step would be to unpackage everything, or at least open all the boxes. You want to have the base. All you do, this is how the base comes. You just want to have it set it down. First step would be to put the uprights in. And for the uprights, you want to have the slots in the middle, and you have the brackets with the plastic parts facing up. So this would go on this one, on this side. The slots are on the inside, and the little plastic part for the bracket is facing up. Scott, can you put that over there? And then this is the right side of that particular one. And you'll notice the holes will also line up for the screws. Same thing on this side. Slot on the inside, the plastic bracket, the plastic part of the bracket facing up, and the holes aligned for the screws. Then next, what we're going to do is we're going to fasten the uprights to the base. And you got a screw, a regular washer, and a lock washer, and you just want to go ahead and put that in all 4 sides. Along with the hardware, there's going to be an Allen key, so you can go ahead and use that to tighten them all up. You want to make sure the base of the uprights are as tight as possible right now, because we're going to put the side panels of the glass in next. I screwed that up. It's actually the regular washer first, and then the lock washer. Good catch, Scott. going to put the side panel in. Can you just slide this over this way a little bit? I'll come over here and just hold these two, please. So what you want to do is you want to have one guy holding the two uprights and the other gentleman sliding the side panel in. And it's not completely secure, but it locks in once you get it all the way in there. And do the same thing on the other side. So next we're going to go ahead and put the top on and secure the fixture. And you just got the 4 extrusions right in to the tops of the uprights. You tied it on 2 sides up? Not completely. No. All right. Last step is going to be put in the shelves, and we would recommend putting them in from the bottom up. So what you want to do is you want to slide it in on an angle and then place it. It just sits right on the brackets. Can you push that? Can you push that? You got it? Yep. We go ahead and just repeat that process for the next shelf. And the last shelf just sits right on top, inside of the metal top. And that's the Ryan Seacrest fixture for Macy's. There's also going to be ballet bars, which you're going to assemble on your dock at your own facility that you'll bring along with this delivery. So deliver the ballet bars on your dock and do this fixture, do that at the Macy's location.